My God is my rock.
My God has an infinite depth.
God is looking after me.
God is my rock in times of trouble.
My God is the King of Kings.
My God is a miracle worker.
My God is a good God.
God is amazing and powerful.
My God is my protector.
My God is generous.
My God is a miracle worker because he helped Moses split the Red Sea.
My God is bigger than anything the enemy can chuck at me.
My God is forgiving.
My God is all-powerful.
My God is faithful.
My God is amazing.
My God is compassionate.
The Lord is my defender.
My God is always with me.
My God is my strength and shield.
My God is the head of our home.
My God is wonderful because his love never ends for us.
My God is my eternal hope.
God is great. God is lovely, and God is a miracle worker.
God is the creator.
God is wonderful, amazing.
My God is big.